Good day to everyone. Welcome to our group presentation regarding to Client Centricity project for Talk Group Corporation Berhad. Next, let me introduce my team. First, Chan Man Seong. Second, Kuli Sin. Third, Tan Po Sing. Before we go into the topic, let me introduce about the introduction of Talk Group Corporation Berhad. Talk Group Corporation Berhad represents as Malaysia publicized this company with more than 30 years of multi-product experience in latte growth and recognized as the world's largest growth manufacturer with a well-established corporate culture and a sensitive business strategy. Therefore, this study is discussed about what activity involved in delivery of customer service and how customer service contribute to success business performance in a competitive market. Let me explain to you about market research adopted by Talk Group Corporation Berhad. Talk Group Corporation Berhad formulated a customer-centric structure around the demand of specific target consumer by conducting market research. It is beneficial to obtain a unique customer need as well as acknowledge the difference between individual customer requirements. By using market research, Talk Group Berhad capable of rapidly specify target consumer demands and deep understanding of tubular change. Furthermore, Talk Group can manipulate his service proposition to address the challenge posed by competition and guaranteeing that it will provide satisfactory customer service. The diagram describes that Talk Group Corporation use different target group and market service strategy, such as consumer, employee, and supplier as represent 3 target group, and survey focus group as represent as 2 market service strategy. There are different objectives based on different target group. A better knowledge of customer real purchasing value is necessary for effective market segmentation. Talk Group is developing a customer-driven strategy that is recognized as a value-based market segmentation for gaining insight into consumer purchasing patterns, including grouping by stream, account dimension, and geographical regions. Widely utilized of market segmentation make Talk Group effectively to specialize its marketing initiative on a specific market region and deliver a high quality of service to the consumer. Except for market research and segmentation, Talk Group Berhad value change analysis also represent as an important component part to deliver their service to the consumer. Value chain analysis is widely adopted to facilitate the identification process in which business operations have the potential to provide a cooperation with value and competitive advantage. Let me explain more about the value chain analysis adopted by Talk Group Corporation Berhad. Talk Group is a remarkable manifestation of a company that offers value to its consumer, while also adhering to the structure of the value chain. The company's day-to-day activity facilitates the formation of connection on a global scale. It ensures that delivery of rapid-based goods of the finest quality, and contribute to the developing a more environmental friendly future. This is a prospect due to the value chain analysis conducted by Talk Group continuously achieve a successful business performance in a competitive market. Well, the 4th point will be discussed in this study is Talk Group culture. Talk Group always highlight that every employee is essential to placing the consumer at the front floor of everything they do. Several characteristics that differentiate customer-centric company from those adopted by Talk Group will be discussed below. First, customer-focused leadership. The Talk Group management is involved in all of the decision process that pertain to customer. They are accountable for all consumer consequences. Second, customer-centric culture, which indicate that every committed to understanding and satisfying the customer requirement. And lastly, customer-friendly future, also one of the Talk Group culture, indicate that employees are encouraged to think creatively and criticize the existing paradigm for developing a better solution for the consumer.
Hi everyone, my name is Po Sing. As we know, Talk Group, the world's largest growth manufacturer, has expanded their manufacturing factory out from Malaysia to Thailand, Vietnam, and China. Not only the manufacturing factory, Talk Group also expand its marketing office at developing countries such as US, Germany, and Brazil. The purpose of Talk Group expand its business internationally is to provide location advantage to Talk Group in managing its regional and global customer via minimizing the delivery time spent and maximize the number of potential customers as well as cost saving. For example, when US banned the growth made by Tograph Malaysia due to the forced labor concern, Tograph has mitigated this business challenge by dispatching the glove manufacturer from its factory in China, Vietnam, and Thailand to US. Apart from that, by setting the marketing office at developing country, the reputation of Tograph can be built, and this enables them to serve their customer better and at the same time creating new stream of income. Next, Tograph management realized the importance of creating a positive customer relationship, and thus Tograph launched the TG Customer Connect, which is a digital cloud-based B2B self-service channel to better serve both regional and global expanding network of over 2,000 customers via offering anytime, anywhere, any device accessibility for improved customer engagement. The TG Customer Connect channel allows Tograph customers to access their profile, product catalog, sales order details, order tracking, and not forgetting help desk inquiry. It has increased the efficiency in information flow between Tograph and its customer, and this helped in boosting the confidence level in customer and revenue of the organization. In contrast, through the traditional method, Tograph marketing and sales team communicated with customers via email and phone call, which resulted a lot of human error and complaint due to frustration from customers. As a result, the workload for marketing and sales team has been increased massively, as they need to reconfirm and follow the status with supplier again, which are every time consuming and causes delay in delivering their product that result in poor customer relationship and low customer satisfaction level. Tograph CEO Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai is open to both good or bad feedback. For example, complaints. His philosophy is that Tograph should not afraid of being transparent by sharing the positive and negative feedback. It is the opportunity to show the company capability to overcome the difficulty highlighted by the customer and work toward fulfilling the customer needs and wants. This indirectly helps in building the customer confidence level towards the service and product provided by Tograph and create loyalty. So, as presented in previous slide, the TG Customer Connect portal invested by Tograph allowed the customer to raise their inquiry through the portal, and this enhanced the responsiveness and shortened the problem-solving period by Tograph staff, which will then lead to customer satisfaction. Tograph creates sustainable value and delivering performance target through strong governance, which include: first, quality and productivity are Tograph business. Second, continuous improvement and innovation are Tograph duties. Third, towards zero defect in their target. Fourth, compliance with customer and regulatory requirements with Tograph responsibility. So, in order to maintain a good quality product and achieve zero defect target, Tograph has implemented the total proactive maintenance, which is called as TPM, on the machine on weekly basis. Furthermore, Tograph strongly stressed on total quality management TQM such as ISO 1991, which assure product quality inspection process are in place to ensure that their product meet expected quality level. Not only that, Tograph also conduct the quality control lab test because they acquire their recyclables right through the creation procedures and the final product item. Next, we move to customer satisfaction. Tograph has conducted the customer satisfaction survey which focus on: number 1, price competitiveness; number 2, product quality; number 3, delivery; and last one, service provided. The purpose of conducting the customer satisfaction survey is to better understand on how customers respond toward their product and service. At the same time, understand the area for improvement in order to create greater customer retention and build a strong brand reputation. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, Telegraph received a lot of feedback on low customer satisfaction due to the peak demand and long lead time to deliver of growth product to its customer, due to the sudden surge of the demand towards growth product globally. Therefore, Telegraph the possibility to extend its production factory and increase the current production capability to better meet the customer demand and improve customer satisfaction. As a result, according to CAN News, Telegraph has outperformed on financial year 2021, which exceeded the group total profit by 336% for the past 20 years. Besides that, with the development of DG Customer Connect, it also helped to enhance the business performance of Telegraph via data collection through the portal. Management are able to respond toward the needs and necessities of their customers within short turnaround, and through this, it provides a better visibility towards the latest market demand trend and secure the growth manufacturing market leader position.
Hi everyone, my name is Li Xing. I will discuss about recommendation to change customer service to improve business performance of Telegraph. There are 5 recommendations to change customer service to improve business performance. First, Telegraph need conduct a review based on the finding of the market research to establish what differentiates from its competitors in terms of customer service. After conducting a review of the findings, Telegraph should define company value in collaboration with all its employees. Second, Telegraph need continue, improve and sustain its former customer service strategies based on changing business environments. Telegraph must satisfy its customer by meeting their expectation to gain customer loyalty. Third, Telegraph must expand its investment in employee training and development to strengthen its customer service team. Through the investment in training and development of employee increase, employee authority level can be expanded safely to manage more customer inquiry at the initial point of contact. This also fostered a culture of teamwork at Telegraph, ensuring that no employee make a commitment to a customer without being sure that it can be fulfilled whether by the employee or by another. Next recommendation is Telegraph need optimize its workforce procedures using intelligent customer relationship management (CRM) strategies. CRM is the process of establishing a customer service infrastructure employing contact center and internet technology in order to place greater emphasis on the customer. These tools assist Telegraph in ensuring that all employees are on the same page for setting strong customer service standards. Last, Telegraph is recommended to study the role of customer satisfaction survey to acquire measurable information. It focuses on 4 key areas for customers, include price, competitiveness, product quality, delivery, and service. Through this survey, Telegraph is able to get feedback from customers on their experience to support the creation of its customer service strategies. Next, conclusions. Customer centricity is critical for Telegraph's survival and success in this rapidly changing business environments. In summary, Telegraph customer service delivery process include market research, market segmentations, the adoption of value chain analysis, and a robust complaint procedures, the driving of culture and locations, the development of customer relationship and satisfactions, and the establishment of customer service standards. This customer service delivery activity has contributed to the successful corporate performance in a competitive market. Even though Telegraph customer reviews are positive, it still requires several recommendations to change its customer service in order to improve business performance, such as conducting a review based on market research findings, continuing to improve and sustain its former customer service strategies, expanding its investment in employee training and development, using an intelligent CRM strategies, and studying the role of customer satisfaction survey. That's end of our group presentation. Thank you for spending your time with us.